Craving comfort? 5 ingredients. 5 comfort foods that'll blow your taste buds away. Hey everyone, it's Orange Hut here. Today, I'm diving into the world of comfort foods, but with a twist, we're keeping it super simple. We're talking 5 ingredient recipes that are guaranteed to satisfy your cravings without all the fuss. Why 5 ingredient comfort foods? Let's face it, we all love comfort food, but who has the time to spend hours in the kitchen? I know I don't. That's why I'm excited to share these easy, yet flavor-packed recipes with you. Whether you're in a rush or just feeling a bit lazy, these dishes will hit the spot every time. Recipe 1. Creamy tomato pasta bake. This one's a classic. With just pasta, canned tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, olive oil, and some seasoning, you can create a dish that's creamy, comforting, and oh, so easy. Cook your pasta, mix it with the tomatoes, top with cheese, and bake until golden brown. Simple, yet satisfying. Recipe 2. Chicken and broccoli stir-fry. Need something quick and healthy. This stir-fry is your go-to. All you need is chicken breast, broccoli, soy sauce, olive oil, and garlic. Saute everything together, and you've got a delicious meal ready in minutes. Perfect for those busy weeknights. Recipe 3. Sweet potato and black bean taco shares. One for my veggie lovers. Sweet potatoes, canned black beans, taco seasoning, olive oil, and tortillas. That's it. Bake the sweet potatoes, mix with beans and seasoning, and serve in warm tortillas. Top with your favorite toppings, and you've got a meal that's both filling and flavorful. Recipe 4. Mac and cheese. Who doesn't love mac and cheese? With just macaroni, cheddar cheese, milk, butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper, you can whip up this crowd pleaser in no time. Want to take it up a notch? Add crispy bacon or a sprinkle of paprika. Recipe 5. Banana bread. And on a sweet note with this moist, delicious banana bread. Ripe bananas, eggs, sugar, flour, and chocolate chips are all you need. Mix, bake, and enjoy the perfect treat for a cozy night in. The star of the show, sweet potato and black bean tacos. If I had to pick a favorite, it's got to be the sweet potato and black bean tacos. The combination of those earthy sweet potatoes with the rich beans and spicy taco seasoning is just unbeatable. Plus, it's so easy to customize. Throw on some salsa, avocado, or sour cream, and you've got a dish that's as Instagram-worthy as it is delicious. So, there you have it, 5 ingredient comfort foods that are quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Next time you're craving something indulgent, skip the takeout and try one of these recipes instead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your favorite comfort food recipes in the comments. I'd love to try them out. And if you're looking for more delicious, easy to make recipes, be sure to check out my other videos. Happy cooking!